students, today we are going to start the birth control devices, that is various contraceptives. So the birth control measures which prevent the fertilization and avoid the unwanted pregnancies are referred to as the contraceptives. Understand? The birth control devices which prevent the fertilization and avoid the unwanted pregnancies are referred to as contraceptives. And uh, the ideal contraceptives has the some features such as it should be easily available, it should be user friendly, it should be effective in preventing unwanted pregnancy, it should have no or least side effects. These are the some silent features of the ideal contraceptives. So the various methods of the birth control devices used and to avoid the pregnancy. So contraceptive methods are of two main types, temporary method and the permanent method. So what is the temporary method? So their temporary method, first one is natural method, or it is also called as the safe period method, or it is also called as the rhythmic method. So in the natural method, the principle of avoiding chances of fertilization is used. Means our in this natural method, the principles of avoiding chances of fertilization is used. A week before and week after menstrual bleeding is considered as a safe period for the sexual intercourse. 1 week before and the 1 week after menstrual bleeding is considered as a safe period for the sexual intercourse. This method is based on the fact that ovulation occurs on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. So 1 week before and 1 week after there is no chances of the fertilizations. 1 week after menstrual bleeding and 1 week before menstrual bleeding, because 1 week after menstrual bleeding there is no maturation of the Graafian follicle, and 1 week before menstruation there is a ovulation takes place at the 14 days and egg is not survive. So but drawbacks of this method is high rate of failure, because there is a irregularities in the hormones variation in each and every female, and therefore this is not the correct method, or the success rate is not guaranteed. So next one is coitus interrupts or withdrawal. So in this method the male partner withdraw his penis from the vagina just before the ejaculation, so as to avoid the insemination. Means withdrawal of penis just immediate before the final ejaculation is done. When male member feel there is a semen now fall in the vaginal tract of the female, so immediately withdraw the penis. This is the coitus interrupts. But drawbacks of this method is again high. There is a pre-ejaculatory fluid may contain sperms, and this can cause the fertilization. So then next one is lactational amenorrhea, means absence of menstruation. This method is based on the fact that ovulation does not occur during the period of intense lactation following after parturition. Means that mother are the lactating mother and breastfeeding baby mother provide nutrition to baby, so there is no chances of the fertilization. Therefore as long as mother breastfeeds the child fully, chances of conception means pregnancy are most negligible, and drawbacks is high chances of the failure. So the next one is a chemical means, that is spermicides. So in this method chemicals like the foam, tablets, jellies uh, and creams are used by the female partner. So before sexual intercourse, if these chemicals are introduced into the vagina, they adhere to the mucous membrane, immobilize and kill the sperms. Okay, means foam, then tablet, jellies and creams are used by the female partner, and therefore if these chemicals are introduced into the vagina, they adhere to the mucous membrane, immobilize and kill the sperms. Drawback, it may cause allergic reactions. This method has also the chances of failure. Then mechanical means or the barrier method. In this method the ovum and sperms are prevented from the physical meeting with the help of barrier, and these mechanical barriers are of three types. First one is the condom, second one are the diaphragm, cervical cap and vaults, and third one are the intrauterine devices. Okay, so first one are the condom in mechanical means. So it is a thin rubber sheath or plastic sheath that is used to cover the penis or erect penis of the male during copulation. Means at the time of sexual contact, it is a rubber sheath which is used to cover the erect penis, and it prevents the entry of ejaculated semen into the female genital tract or reproductive tract and thus prevent the conception. And it is very simple and effective method. It has no side effect, and condom should be properly discarded after every use. Condom is also safeguarded against the sexually transmitted diseases just like the AIDS or syphilis and the gonorrhea. So Nirod is the most commonly and the widely used contraceptives by the males. It is easily available and is given free by the government. So next one are the diaphragm, cervical caps and the walls. So these devices used by the female are made up of the rubber. They prevent the conception by blocking the entry of sperms through the cervix. Cervix are the lowermost part of the uterus. So blocking the prevent the conception. This device is inserted into the female reproductive tract and to cover the cervix during copulation. Then next last one are here in case of mechanical barrier intrauterine devices, that is IUDs. So these clinical devices are plastic or metal object. A doctor or trained nurse places these intrauterine devices into the uterus. These devices include lips, loops, copper releasing substances such as copper T-shaped copper tube are inserted in the female reproductive tract. So middle portion of the uterus can occupy and two parts of the fallopian tube means which occupy the place of fallopian tube and the uterus, and therefore no there is a chances of fertilization, and as in case there is a fertilization takes place, so no chances of the implantation. Okay, so copper D, then copper 7, multi-load 3705, and the hormone releasing IUDs, LNG20, Progestart. These are the some intrauterine devices, and these devices are inserted inside the uterus by qualifying doctor. So lips loop, it is a plastic double S loop. It attracts the macrophages, stimulating them to accumulate in the uterine cavity, and macrophages increases the phagocytic activity of the sperm is phagocytosis, that macrophages attacks on the sperms and within the uterus and act as a contraceptive means kill the uterus, and therefore no chances of fertilization. Then copper releasing IUDs, copper releasing intrauterine devices such as suppress the sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of the sperm decrease. Then hormone releasing IUDs make the uterus unsuitable for implantation and cervix hostile to the sperms. It delays the pregnancy for longer period. A drawback, spontaneous expulsion or occasional hemorrhage means bleeding takes place. There is a no date of that menstruation of female, but there is occasional bleeding. Chances of infections are again more. So last, then next one about are the physiological devices. Means physiology means the study of body function or body organs of the function of the body called the physiology. So alter the physiology or alter the menstrual cycle of that lady, that is such kind of devices. So physiological devices are used in the form of tablets or the pills. It is an oral contraceptive used by the female and which contain the progesterone and the estrogen. These are the two hormones of the female. These hormones inhibit the ovulation. Means no eggs are released from the ovary of the female using these pills, and thus conception cannot occur. Means no egg are released from the ovary of the female. So they also alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent the entry of sperm. And this pill Saheli is an oral contraceptive for females which is a non-steroidal. The Saheli is to be taken once in the week. These pills are sponsored by the government. Saheli is now part of the National Family Planning Program. Is an oral contraceptive pills in India. Then oral contraceptive pills have some side effects such as there are the nausea or weight gain, tenderness means hardness of the breast, and slight blood loss between the menstrual period. So these are the some physiological devices. These are the some drawbacks of the physiological devices. Then again other contraceptives, that is birth control implant is a contraceptive used by the female. Implanon or Explanon, it is very tiny thin rod about the size of the matchstick. It is implanted under the skin of the upper arm and contains the hormones progesterone and estrogen. Their mode of action is similar to that of pills. This prevent the pregnancy for about 3 to 4 years. Then again, permanent method for the birth control devices such as there is a vasectomy in male and the tubectomy in female. Permanent method control method in men is called the vasectomy because cut the vas deferens, and female tubectomy cut the fallopian tube. These are the surgical methods also called as sterilization. In vasectomy, small part of the vas deferens is tied and cut. In tubectomy, small part of the fallopian tube is tied and cut. This blocks gamete transport and prevent the pregnancy. Then, in case of tubectomy, there is a removing the small part of the fallopian tube and then tying it up through the small incision in the abdomen or through vagina. So this technique is highly effective, but their reversibility is highly poor. Sometimes it becomes necessary to use this method either to prevent pregnancy or to delay or space pregnancy due to personal reason. So this method block the gamete transport and prevent the pregnancy. Then again, MTP is also present. One of the avoid the fertilize means avoid the unwanted pregnancy means intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term is called a medical termination of pregnancy or the induced abortion. MTP is essential in case of unwanted pregnancy or in the defective development of fetus. It is safe during the first trimester of pregnancy. The government of India has legalized the MTP Act in 1971 with strict condition to avoid its misuse. Means Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 2017 under Section 3 of the MTP Act in 1971 was issued by the government of India, and MTP has to reduce the incidence of illegal abortion and consequent maternal mortality. So the provision of the MTP only the consent of the woman whose pregnancy is being terminated in required. So MTP Act pregnancy may be terminated within the first 12 weeks, more than 12 weeks, but lesser than 20 weeks. The registered medical doctors is mandatory to starting the this operation will involve the risk to the lives of the pregnant woman or grave abnormal physical or mental health or the substantial risk to the child. So then these are the some contraceptives, natural method, then mechanical method, then again physiological method. So in case of the physiological method, there are the some oral contraceptive pills which alter the ovulatory cycle, such as there are the hormonal tablets which taken orally by female to avoid the pregnancy or to prolong the pregnancy. One must commonly use hormones in oral contraceptive pills are high concentration of progesterone and the low concentration of estrogen. These are the major two hormones of the female. So these two hormones act on the anterior pituitary and to decrease the secretion of normal or natural secretion of that female, such as FSH and LH, and which ovulation during reproductive cycle. So decrease the FSH level in blood, reduce the chances of oogenesis, and decrease LH in blood reduces the chances of ovulation. So in absence of matured ovum, pregnancy cannot occur. So I already explained about these are the examples such as Maladi, Saheli, then these are the different pills. So students, here finished my topic, that is a different contraceptives devices. So thank you very much for today's session.